Hey guys, so today me and my sister just filmed a video and we're gonna be packing another fidget order. So yeah. Okay guys, someone just texted me and they said that they wanted a yellow order. So let's pack them a yellow order. Okay, so first we got this pineapple poppet. We got that pineapple poppet. My sister's putting in here. There we go. So we got a pineapple poppet. There's no more yellow stuff in there. So you'll eventually get one poppet, if that's okay for you. Oh, you got my new banana. My sand banana. You got this spiky ball. It's jumbo. Do you want this for extra? Oh, so it's for her kid's birthday, and she said yes. Okay. It comes with a mini doll inside. These two marble meshes. Okay. Do you record? These two marble meshes are going to go in here. So, by the way, my sister's recording. Sorry if the recording's too bad. Okay, so we got this thin monkey noodle, a mochi, this squishy ring thingy. This is kind of yellow, so this acupressuring. Okay. Let's see. Okay, and this is our last drawer. These magnet balls. Wow, she got a lot of yellow monkey noodles. These yellow monkey noodles.
Oh my goodness.
A yellow snake.
That is a lot.
A homemade squish stress ball. And that is it for your order. Do you want any more colors? Oh, okay. This is fine. Okay, I'll have it shipped to you by tomorrow. Bye. Okay, guys, now I'll put this all back, and tomorrow I'm going to ship it to that person's house. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to put this back real quick. Okay. Oh, guys, I just got another text. This person wants a blue pack. Huh. It's really odd to get blue packs, but let's see what I could do. Okay, guys, so I'm going to look in the poppets. Is there any blue poppets? No, I don't see any, but this is kind of blue, but it's cyan mostly, but I'm just going to add it in there to be nice. Oh, it's her son's birthday. Could you believe that, Anna? So, it's her son's birthday. Okay. I'm not going to try to pack girl stuff. Okay, so he got this wacky track.
Ooh.
There's another piece of it that's broken. Same wacky track. This blue mini pop tube. I'm just gonna add these. I have another one for the yellow pack tomorrow. This, could you hold the camera? This blue twisty thing. And plus, if you're wondering who's holding the camera, it's my sister, my assistant helper. This blue cat mochi that's really fat. Okay, and that's all the blue stuff, I think. Let me check this drawer. Okay, this blue marble mesh. He got another mini pop tube.
Okay.
This planet ball. And I don't know if this wacky track counts, but I'm just gonna add it in to be nice. Anyways, here's your son's order. Yes, I'll have it shipped by your house in 2 days. In 2 days is his birthday. At one time. Okay, so you want to add 12:30? Okay, 12:30 in 2 days. Okay. Bye. And tell your son. And tell your son that I said to him, happy early birthday. Oh, what type of cake is he getting? Oh, he's getting a Batman cake. Oh, I could tell that he loves superheroes. Yeah, that's super nice. What's his name? Liam. Oh, how old is he going to be turning? He's going to be turning 5? Wow. So he's going into kindergarten? Okay, that's super nice. Anyways, have a good day. Okay, guys, that was a super nice lady, and it's her son's birthday. So now I'm gonna just wait until another text. Oh, is that your phone that vibrated?
Yes.
Okay, let's check it. Okay, so someone just ordered for a pink order. I got on a pink order in the past, and it was kind of hard to pack. So, yeah. Okay, so. Okay, she texted me that she's VIP service.
Ooh, VIP.
VIP. Okay, I'll add these 2 poppets into her. Oh, it's her baby. It's her girl's birthday. That's super nice. Okay, I'm gonna text her out. How old is she? Oh, she's turning 5 too. Okay, you can't really see, but this is pink. It's a very, very light pink that I used with this show because I don't have any food coloring anymore. My mom has the and it's this homemade squishy water bottle. So you can add that in. It's kind of pink, right? Yes. Oh, I have this pink Play-Doh.
Yep.
It's Tutti Frutti. Okay, I have, let's see. This pink fidget spinner.
Thank you, Kayla.
Okay, here you can just read.
Okay.
This pink fidget spinner. Not that much pink stuff here. This pink monkey noodle.
Hi, guys.
This pink glowing flamingo ball. Glows. Here.
It glows.
It's her birthday tomorrow? Wow. Oh, guys, look, she just arrived. Yeah, I heard that it was her birthday tomorrow. How old is she turning? 6? Oh, that's so cool. I thought you said 5 earlier. Oh, you messed it up. Your son is turning 5? Wait, aren't you the lady who just came earlier? Oh, that's so cool. Okay. So, anyways, I think that is all the pink stuff. Yeah, that's all the pink stuff. So when do you want this to be shipped by your house? Tomorrow? What time? Okay, no, 5:30 in the morning or night or like lunchtime. Morning? Oh, what time does our party start? Hopefully I could be there. Oh, so that's the time that her party starts? Well, that's really nice. Tell her that I said happy birthday to her too. Have a good day. Yep, you too. Okay, guys, I'm gonna look for one of my dimples because I really need it. Oh, here it is. I just gotta try something else. Does this work? Okay, so this fidget spinner just came apart, so I tried to put it into my dimple fidget spinner and it did not work. So. But I really like that. Okay, I got another text, guys. It's a purple pack. I never packed the purple one, did I? Yeah, I don't really know, but I think I did not.
We have.
So, guys, I'm gonna pack a purple order. She said that she's gonna be here in 15 minutes. Okay. I'm just gonna pack the purple order now. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry for her, but there's no purple poppets, I think. do have this, but it's not purple. So, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna okay, so there. To be nice, I'll give her this donut squishy because like I don't have that much purple things. So I'll give her that donut squishy.
It's fighting.
Oh my gosh, guys, I barely have purple stuff. I have these 3 purple monkey noodles and this purple slime, guys. That is all the purple stuff I literally have. Wow, I'm so sorry. But I could work this out. I'll give her 2 poppets, a dimple, this mini poppet, this, and this stretchy banana because her kid is seriously turning 10 and she's going. No, I mean, her kid is literally not even a kid anymore. She is turning like 18. So like, yeah, she just got her driver's license. So I'm trying to celebrate, guys. Okay, and I'll give her this monkey now. Okay, miss, here's your order. You ordered a purple package, I know, but for the purple package, it would have just been these purple monkey noodles and the slime. Yeah. Okay, so you want this ordered in 10 days? Oh, you mean 5? Okay. Thank you so much for shopping at Louie's. Bye. I mean, at Louie's Fidget Shop. Bye. Guys, that was a really tough order. That was like my first time packing a purple order. From now on, I'm no longer packing purple orders. I'm just going to tell everyone that I'm not packing purple orders for some reason, because like I said, you could pick any color out of the rainbow and I could pack it for you, but like I currently don't have that much colors. But anyways, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to find this crate, I don't know where to get it, but it's most guaranteed in Walmart and Target, maybe in furniture shops. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and subscribe, and yeah, bye monsters.